Would you like a seamless meeting room experience without having to worry about different types of cables and no messy wires? With useful features and an intuitive interface, you deserve a better meeting room solution. Introducing InstaShare 2 with built-in AirPlay and Miracast support for Apple and Windows devices. Have ideas? Easily share them. InstaShare 2 allows you to share your screen, annotate in real time, and share different types of media. What about brainstorming? Use the smart split screen feature. Need more ways to present? You can control the interactive display with your device and allow multiple collaborators to annotate. Need to control the flow of the meeting? You can be the host. Select how many screens are shared and which devices are projected, and who can write on the board. When you need the room focused on you, turn on Do Not Disturb mode. Share ideas. Create possibilities. BenQ InstaShare 2.